San, good afternoon to all of us. So, I'm now here to present the different components and parts of the fire alarm system. So, I will first describe what is a fire alarm panel. So, this is the fire alarm panel. As you can see, there is a what you call a 4x4 keypad. Another is the smoke and fire sensor that categorized into two. So this is the smoke and fire sensor, two different colors. And number 3 is the manual alarm switch. So here is the manual alarm switch. Okay, to our another is inside the control panel. So let me present to you the different devices and components. So number 1 is the power supply. So here is the power supply. Okay. So number 2 is the Arduino Uno. Here is the Arduino Uno that having a 2 maximum devices. When you say 2 maximum devices, you are pertaining to the smoke and fire sensor. So another is the relay alarm. So here is the relay alarm. Having a specs of 250 volts at 10 amperes. So another is the LCD projector. So we have the LCD projector for the indicators and status of the devices. So in this LCD, we will check whether the devices, whether the components are all functional and operational. So let us take note for the 4x4 keypad. Here is the 4x4 keypad. Just to indicate different codes in this keypad. And another, don't forget to include the laptop. The laptop for the information and debugging calibration, so that we will adjust anything on our fire alarm system. So parts of the control code, we have the description, for the password, for the buzzer sensor, for the enable zone 1, a different zone description, as well as the triggering buzzer, whether it, of course it is a manual, and another is the emergency manual switch, so that you can disable or enable. Okay, so